Hi, I'm Luke Pelletier from FixRunner.com, and in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a blog in just 20 minutes. After watching this video, you'll be able to make a really nice looking blog super easily. I'm going to basically walk you through every step required to make a blog using WordPress. Now, if you want a more detailed tutorial, then I suggest checking out our longer video on our channel. It's basically the same process, but with a couple more bonus features and some customization tips. I'll link it in the description below. I've divided this tutorial into the following segments, which will make it easier for you to understand. First, buying a domain and hosting. Second, installing WordPress. Third, installing an SSL certificate. Fourth, installing a theme. Fifth, customizing the theme. Sixth, creating a post. And seventh, editing a page. So, let's start. Now, the very first step in creating a blog is purchasing a domain name and a hosting plan. The domain is the name of your website, for example, www.yourwebsite.com. And the hosting is what puts your website on the internet. Right now, I'm on the FixRunner website. Here, we will first search for the domain we're looking for to see if it's available or not. I'll link this in the description below. Now, here, enter the name of the domain you want. So I'll just type onlinefixrunner.com. Then click on Search. And as you can see, we get a notification that this domain is available, and we can register it. So now let's move on to step 2, which is to buy hosting and domain. Click here to get hosting and domain. And you'll be redirected to SiteGround. SiteGround, in my opinion, is one of the best hosting providers out there, so we will be using SiteGround to buy our domain and hosting. And now scroll down a bit, and we see SiteGround offers 3 plans: the Startup, Grow Big, and Go Geek. For beginners, the Startup plan is more than enough. It offers one website, that is, you can use one domain with this plan. It gives 10 gigabytes of web space, 10,000 monthly visits, unmetered traffic, free SSL, and much more. The other plans offer more features, but for beginners, the Startup plan is sufficient. So click on Get Plan. And here we have to register a new domain. So here, type in the name of the domain you want. Then click on Proceed. Now here, first you'll have to enter your account information, which you will then use to log in to SiteGround. Then the client information is your domestic information, like address, name, and phone number. Then finally we have the payment information. Enter your card details there. Then here you can review your purchase information. You can review the hosting services. And as you can see, the plan is a startup. If you want to change the plan, you can do so now. Then select the period you want to buy the plan for. Since I'm not going to use this domain much, I'll just choose 1 month. But I recommend you to choose a longer plan as they'll be cheaper as compared to the short-term plans. You can also change the data center from here. Then finally scroll down and click here to confirm the terms and service. And you can enable this as well if you want to receive SiteGround news and special offers by email. Then click on Pay Now. Now, SiteGround will first verify your phone number. So you can choose how you want to verify your number. I'll choose the text message option. Then click on Next. Enter the code you received. And then click on Next. And now you have to verify your credit card. SiteGround will perform a small test authorization. So click on Next. And now you have to enter the authorization amount, which you can check for in your bank statement or contact your bank for it. After you've entered the authorization amount, click on Next, and you get redirected to this page. And here it says the order was submitted and your account is now being created. Let's now move on to the customer area. Okay, so now that we've bought a domain name and hosting, we're going to install WordPress. This is the homepage. Let's start by clicking here on the Setup site. Now here, select Start a new website and choose WordPress. Now you have to set up the login details, which you will use to access the back end of your site. Here, again, SiteGround has an upsell where you can add the SG Site Scanner and domain privacy for extra charges. I'll just skip all that and click on Finish. The site is being created. Just wait for a couple minutes. Now let's start managing the site by visiting the Site Tools. This is the SiteGround dashboard. On the left-hand side, click on WordPress. Then click on Install and Manage. Scroll down to Manage Installation. Here you can see the domain name we purchased. Click here on this icon under Actions. Click on Start Now. And here we have to select a theme for our website. But let's skip this for now and let's log into the back end of our website. So this is our WordPress dashboard. And let's see how the website looks right now. Just click on Visit Site here. And this is our website right now. It has the default theme and no content. After installing WordPress, the first thing we're going to do is install an SSL certificate. Before we start customizing the site, you can see here beside our domain, it says our connection is not secure. This is because we have not installed an SSL certificate on our site. To do that, let's go back to the SiteGround dashboard. Then click on Security. And then click on the SSL Manager. Then click here to select the SSL. Choose the Let's Encrypt Wildcard SSL. This is free with the startup plan. And once the SSL is installed for our domain, now to finish up this process, we will install a plugin to make sure everything works correctly. So, back in your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, then click on Add New. In the search bar, type Really Simple SSL and press Enter. This is the plugin we will be using. It has a very good rating, and it's also compatible with our version of WordPress. So click on Install Now to start the installation. Once the installation is complete, this button will change to Activate. Then click on it to activate the plugin as well. Now we're redirected to the Plugins page. This is where you can manage all the installed plugins on your site. Now here you have this blue button that says Go ahead, activate SSL. Click on this button. You'll need to log in back to your dashboard after the SSL is activated. But before that, let's go to the website, and I'll just reload the site. And you can see it says the connection is now secure. So the SSL certificate was installed and activated successfully. Now let's log in back to our website's dashboard. Now that we've got an SSL certificate, we're going to install a theme for our blog. But we're not going to use a simple theme. The theme I'm going to show you lets you import an entire blog that you can further customize according to your need. So go to Appearance, then click on a theme. Then click here on Add New. Now here you have this list of themes that you can install, but we're going to search for a particular theme called Astra. This is the theme. You can click here to preview this theme. As you can see, This theme has a very good rating. So now click on Install to start the installation. And then when the button changes to activate, click on it to activate the theme. Astra comes with dozens of ready-to-use templates, so to get them, you need to install a plugin. So go to Plugin, then click on Add New. In the search bar, type Starter Templates and press Enter. This is going to be the plugin. Click on Install Now to start the installation. Once the installation is complete, this button changes to Activate. Click on it to activate the plugin. Once the plugin is activated, you get redirected to the Plugins page. Under the plugin, click on See Library. Now you have to select a page builder. The easiest page builder to use is Elementor. So let's select that. Now, here you can look through these templates and select the one you like most. There are free options and premium options as well. Since I want to create a blog, I'll look for a template that looks more like a blog. So I'll select this template, and you can also preview the template. Here you can see that this template comes with a home page, a blog page, a contact us page, etc. You can preview these pages as well. Now click on Import Complete Site. You're going to have to fill in some information here, so I'm just going to do that really quickly. And then click on Next. You can skip this step by clicking on Skip. And now your site is being imported. Wait for a few minutes while your site is being imported. And once it's done, click on View Site. And as you can see, a very beautiful and professional site has been imported. This makes the process of creating a blog that much easier. As of now, you have a great looking blog with just a few clicks, and all the plugins required are automatically installed as well. Now that you've selected a template, all you have to do now is customize this site as per your blog or business, whatever you're trying to do really. These icons are appearing because of some plugins installed on our site, so let's disable them first. Go to Plugins, then click on Installed Plugins. SiteGround automatically adds these plugins, so I'll just select these plugins, then click here on Bulk Action, and select Deactivate. Then click on Apply. And if you notice, once these plugins were deactivated, the plugin icons were also removed from our dashboard. Okay, so we've selected a template. Now, all we have to do is customize our site based on what our blog, business e-commerce store, or whatever we're making needs. Go to Appearance, then click on Customize. This is where we're going to customize the whole theme. You can see the changes in the preview on the right side here. Any changes here will be made on the global level. That is, any changes you make here will appear on your entire site. Also, these settings might be a little bit different for you. That's because this depends on the theme you're using. Now, click on the header building setting. Then click on the site logo and title. Here you can add the logo of your business. Just click here to change the logo. You can click here to upload the logo from your computer. So I'm just going to upload the logo, and I'm also uploading the fave icon, which I'm going to show you later. Now click on Select. And here you can crop the image. Then click here. And the logo is now changed. Now, if you want to display a site title, then enable this. And enter your site title here. You can see in the preview how the title will look. And you can choose if you want to display it inline or not from here. Next is the site tagline. This will appear as your blog title as well. The last setting is the site icon or fave icon. The fave icon is this small icon that appears near your blog title. So just click on Select Site Icon. And I'll select the fave icon I uploaded earlier. And you can see that the icon next to the blog title has changed. Now, let's go back and configure the menu. These are the menus on this site. And the primary menu is currently our menu, which, as you can see, is displayed here. So I'm going to show you how to create a new menu. Click here on Create a New Menu. Give this menu a name. And select here where you want to display this menu. Click on Add Items to add menu items. You can add pages, posts, etc. Just add them like this. You can reorder the menu from here. You can drag the menu items to rearrange them. To add a submenu, just drag the menu under the menu you want to add as a submenu of, like this. Now let's go back to the theme customizer. And you'll see how your blog will look on different devices from here. Then click on Publish to update the changes. After customizing your theme, I'm going to show you how to create your first post on your new blog. To do that, go to Post, and then click on Add New. To create a post, we're going to use the Gutenberg WordPress editor. This is the default editor that comes with WordPress. It uses a block system, which is very easy to use. First, give this post a title here. Then click here on this plus sign to add a block. I'm going to select the paragraph block. Then add your post content here. Now in the next block, you can also add media to your posts like images and videos. So I'm just going to add a new block and choose the image block from the media options. You can either upload an image or choose one from your media library. Then click on Select. And the image was added to the post. You can add post excerpts, featured images, etc. from here. Then click on Publish to publish this post. Now the post is live, and it should be displayed on our blog page. So I'm just going to go back and open the site. And when I go to the blogs page, you can see that the post is now displayed here because it's the latest one. And now the last thing I'll show you is how to edit a page on your site. Now, this template comes with all the necessary pages like contact page, about page, etc. So I'm going to show you how to edit a page on your site. Go to the dashboard, then go to Pages. You can create a new page by clicking on Add New, and to edit a page, click on All Pages. Go to the page you want to edit. I'm going to edit the contact page here. Just click on Edit under the page. You can edit pages using Gutenberg, but Elementor gives more customization options. So we're going to edit this page using Elementor. I'm just going to close this. Now, here is the preview of the page. You can simply click on the text or other elements to edit them. When you click on an element, on the left side, you get more customization options. You can even configure these buttons. Just click on them. Then you can enter the link where you want to redirect the user to here. After you're done editing the page, just click on Update. And if you want to view this page, then click here. Click on View Page. And that's it. Now you know how to get domain and hosting, how to install WordPress, import the demo content, and edit the content. This is how you can create a WordPress blog super quickly. If you have any problems or you have any questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. I'll try and get back to you with good answers. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.